Boys and girls, hello. We are going to look at a very brief way of completing two-digit subtraction and checking it. The checking is the new part. So I'm going to walk you through one problem, and this should help you with all of them. It is very important not to do the math in your head. Write it out, go slowly, and always check it, and you should be okay. So let's take a look at this problem here. 61 minus 27. What is step one? Hopefully you remembered that step one is to stack. Okay, it makes these numbers easier to work with. What is step two? And hopefully you remember that step two is a question. We have to ask if we need to regroup. Let's take a look at that. Do we need to regroup? Well, look at the ones. And we can't do 1 minus 7, right? So do we need to regroup? The answer is yes, we do. Okay, so now we're going to do the math. And we're going to start by regrouping. We're going to cross out that 6 and put a 5 there. And what are we going to do to the 1? We're going to cross that out and put an 11 there. Okay, very good. And what is 11 minus 7? And what is 5 minus 2? And hopefully you came up with this answer, 34. Now this is what we've been doing for a little while now. The new step is how we're going to check it. And we're going to check by adding. So now we're going to do the problem backwards, this time by adding. We're going to take these two numbers, the 27 and the 34, and we're going to add them. Now you can do 34 plus 27. You can do 27 plus 34. It doesn't matter because you can add in any order, and that is the commutative property. Excellent. So let's see. We're going to do 4 plus 7, and hopefully you know what that equals. And we're going to add up all of these numbers here, and what we should get is this. And if this number matches the original number, then you've done it. You've subtracted, and then you've checked your subtraction by adding. Normally, if you do this, you'll have the answer correct. It's a lot of steps, but it's the safest way to do it. The end.